image that is projected about India's stature and the Prime Minister's stature across the world. And BJP is very determinedly pushing it, saying that this is what we achieved in last 10 years. India has a different level of stature.
No.
India Prime Minister has a different level of stature. You completely disagree with it?
Completely disagree. Our stature was very much higher before this government. In fact, when President Obama, before leaving office, was asked to name the 3 most impressive leaders in the world, the first name he came up with was Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh and India in those days, as a democracy, as a land of diversity, as a country of such incredible soft power and good qualities, was highly admired. Today, most of the Western press about India is negative. It's about Islamophobia, it's about increasing dictatorship, it's about stifling the freedom of the press. You pick up any of 50 newspapers from the Western world, and you will see that the overwhelming coverage is negative about India. How can they say our stature has gone up? In fact, if anything, governments are pushing back in Mr. Modi. Look at the trouble he has got into with America and Canada over the stories, allegations, I will say, that India has been attempting to assassinate their citizens. Look at the problems he's got right now with China on our borders. Look at the problems that he's got in Europe on a number of issues. We made no progress on the trade deal there either. Where has Mr. Modi's stature gone up? In our own neighborhood, the Maldives is being rude to us. The Sri Lankans are busy reacting to being snubbed on the Kachativa Island business and are flirting with the Chinese. In Nepal, already the Chinese have moved in significantly into the north. Where has Mr. Modi's India